Hi student, I came in front of you for the new video, only for you. So let us see. I have drawn the figure on the board. So name of the figure is the differential, that is a topic. This type of the topic is used in the automobile vehicles. Automobile vehicles. Why it is very most important. If it is not there, then problem will create for the turning time. That's why there are two types of the axles. One is the dead axle, other one is the live axle. So live axle is used in vehicles as backside. In nowadays, majority in light vehicles, so transaxle is fitted in the light vehicles. So in light vehicles, transaxle is fitted. There is a clutch, gearbox, and differential. All are included in one case that is called a transaxle. So these are the fitted in the light vehicles. Okay. So in transaxle also that is fitted as a front side, and this type in heavy vehicles. Nowadays in heavy vehicles maximum differential unit is fitted in the back side of the heavy vehicles. Okay. So this is the unit of the differential. So it is a location I have told you. So now just you see this unit we cannot understand after looking this figure. So I explain in details. Just you see here small, both are the two wheels in back side. So this is the axle side. Okay. So this is the tires and wheels. So between the both wheels, this differential unit is fitted inside the box. So why it is a requirement? Why it is a necessary? That is the main fact. What is the use of the? What is the principle and function of the differential? That is the main thing. Just you see here properly. So here this is the propeller shaft. Afterwards here gearbox, then clutch, and here engine. So engine gives drive to the clutch, clutch to gearbox, gearbox to propeller shaft, and propeller shaft in this unit. So I have shown here drive pinion. Drive pinion gets the drive and power from the engine. Okay, just you see here. Then engine gives the drive to the drive pinion, and drive pinion gives the drive to the crown wheel. So crown wheel then rotates. Just you see the construction of the differential unit. So then we'll see the working. Just you give the drive pinion to the drive crown wheel, and on the crown wheel this small cage is fitted here. For what purpose? Cage is given here. This is a cage. Both side of the crown wheel, this cage is fitted here. Afterwards, what happens? Construction, just you see, this is the crown wheel and the both blue in blue color I have shown here. These are the star gear. We can say also planetary gear also. And these black shown here, these are the sun gears. Sun gears are most important as well as star gears also. Okay. So this is a here. Small pin is given here. Pin is given here, and we can see the axis pin. On the axis pin, star gears rotates. Both. Maximum star gears are 2 or 4. 4 gears, star gears are used in the heavy vehicles differential, but only small gears, two star gears are used in light vehicles maximum. Okay. So sun gears are fitted with the axle shaft. Axle shaft. So sun gears are here, and sun gears are here. This is also sun gears, and axle shafts are here. Both sides two axle shafts are here. Okay. So axle shafts are given there. Why? For giving the rotation to the wheels. These are the wheels. And then wheel rotates and then our vehicle moves. Or after getting the drive from the engine to the clutch, gearbox, propellant shaft and axle shaft. And after getting the drive to the rear wheels, then our vehicle moves ahead. Okay. So how it works? Then I explain now. So drive pinion gives a drive to the crown wheel on the crown wheel. So this is a cage or case. So cage is fitted. Inside the cage, all gears are fitted here, star gear and the sun gear. Okay. Then when our vehicles moves as a straight way, at that time, star gears are not working. It is on axis position. Only sun gear rotates because sun gears are fitted with the axle shaft. Crown wheel gives a drive to the axle shaft and then it moves straight. That means when drives come in drive pinion and gives drive to the crown wheel, it is in a right angle drive. So right angle, that means 90 degrees, gives drive to the both wheels. Drive comes straight and distributed in 90 degrees to the both wheels. Okay, during the straight way. As well as when vehicles takes a turn in turning place, left or right, that time working of the differential is used properly. What happens? Just you see here, drive pinion gives a drive to the crown pinion. When vehicle turns as the left side, so inner wheel rotates slower and outer wheel rotates faster. Load will come in the inner wheel and outer wheel will be free movement. So at that time what happens? Star gear then rotates. Star gear rotates on the outer side sun gear, and when right side will take turn, load will come here and the left side sun gear will rotate slowly. Faster. So this is the main function of the differential, because during the turning time inner wheel rotates slowly and outer wheel rotates fast. That is the faster. And for this purpose, sun gear and star gears are given in the differential. Okay. Two functions. Next point is suppose drive pinion rotates 6 times. At that time, crown wheel rotates 1 time. That means there is a increase the torque to the both wheels, and that's why vehicle can move easily. These 2 to 3 functions, 1, 2, 3 points are included in this unit, and that's why this unit is fitted in the engines. So this cage is fitted in the bearings. Majority and maximum ज़्यादा करके maximum roller bearings are fitted for free movement, and for that purpose, for free movement, it should be rotated. That's why 90 AC 90 oil is stored in the differential cage for reducing the sound, reducing the damages, and reducing the breakdowns. Okay, so this type of the differential works. If you understood properly, then you like, share and subscribe. If you are not understood, just your comments. Thank you very much.